Hey, what's going on? It's Roger. So let's talk about the diecast variations. I don't have everything. I just, like I said, if I like something, I typically just try to get one casting. But if it's a card that I like, I try to get multiple. If they come out with a new theme or whatnot, I'll try to get it. Especially if I like it. Like I said, I'm a huge Nissan fan. This kind of got out of hand because I really wanted to get just one, and then like friends would give me would grab me one of a different variation, different color, whatever. So I end up getting these, and the last one I got was this, Japan Historics 3. The Real Riders metal on metal, and I was like, I don't need any more Honda City Turbo 2s. I do have a beat up Tomica version. Um, and this was it doesn't say what year, but it's made in Japan, so that tells you something too. Um, and of course, just like these, I don't think the trunk opens up, but on the Tomica, the trunk opens up and it has the moto comp. Anyways, I have a Honda City Turbo One, or it's Honda City One, on the way from Japan, so I'm happy to get those in my collection. But I just, like I said, after looking through, I was like, man, I got way too many of these variations when I just only really need maybe one or two. But just like I said, opportunity and friends giving gifts, it just became out of hand. All right, so there are my very. This is my very. These are my variations of the Honda City Turbo 2.